Hey guys, let me show you how to use FlexCam and Auto Zoom on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And firstly, we need to tap twice on the cover screen to wake it up and then launch the camera. So after this, you would be able to see this icon, which is for the Auto Zoom. So what does it mean? The Auto Zoom automatically zooms in or out so the main subject is perfectly in the frame. If you are too close, the camera will zoom out. If you move away, it will increase the zoom so everything fits in the frame, which is really great for group photos so no one ends up cropped. And to take a photo, just use this gesture, almost like you're giving high five, and the timer will be launched immediately. Or you can also tap the screen to take a photo. And now I'll just stand up and show you how it works. Also, do not fold your phone fully because it will disable this feature. Just take a look how it will disappear when I will fold my phone fully. And here it is. If you wanna see the results of your photos, just tap this icon to open gallery, and here it is. You can delete it or mark as a favorite by tapping on this heart. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.